This is when I found the best trade setup of the literally the entire, I think, day. So now at this point, you can see on the 15-minute time frame, we're stuck in the same range like the whole day. London low, London high. We're just ranging, right? We're just range bound, 91 points of range. Market finally rips up and takes a little bit of this liquidity here. So now we've got some liquidity and maybe we can finally catch a trade setup. And at this point, when the market is just so stuck in range and it's not breaking higher, I'm starting to lean on the bearish side, because if we look at the 4-hour fair value gap down here, it's an unmitigated 4-hour gap resting right down here. At this point, I'm thinking to myself, if this market's going to flip on a 15-minute time frame, like we're going to get a 15-minute inverse, which I'm going to show you right here, which is like going to happen right here. Okay. Then we could target all of this liquidity here and then final TP at the 4-hour fair value gap, the unmitigated 4-hour fair value gap. So here's what ends up playing out and transpiring in the PM session. So we end up getting a flip. Watch how fast this happens here. We end up getting a flip. Okay. So there's our confirmation on the 15-minute inverse. Now we have an inverted fair value gap, a 15-minute inverse, which is at this point, higher time frame inverse is very strong. Price pulls back into the inverse, but I want to kind of dial in a little, some stuff that was in here that you might miss. Okay. So let me play this out real quickly. Okay. So inside of this zone, you guys can see right here, this is a 15-minute inverse fair value gap. Also right into here, you have a bearish 15-minute gap. Okay. And then just, if we dial it in a little bit more, right in here, there's a BPR. So now we got some confluences digging in here. We've got a 15-minute inverse. Okay. I'm going to delete the inverse. We'll start with the BPR. Here's the BPR. Okay. For my BPR people, this is an overlapping bullish fair value gap with a bearish fair value gap. That is a BPR. It's a balanced price range. So we've got that inside this area. Okay. So strong resistance level.